Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and I'm going to show you the LSP Rainbow Spectrum Action Collection for Photoshop. I'm going to come up here and switch to button mode so we can see these a little bit easier. This image is so cute by Magda Bright. There are 10 very separate rainbow actions included. For example, you have add a chunky little rainbow here. This literally does exactly what it says on the tin. You can resize this one and position it wherever you want to in your image. These are great for studio and outdoors. You can have them large, you can paint them on, show on white. You can also add a real thin rainbow. This image is by Samantha Leon. Yes, you can see add a rainbow to the sky by playing that one. Have rainbow dress paint, both in horizontal and vertical. You can add a lovely pastel spectrum to the fabrics. Great for rainbow babies, rainbow pregnancies, or anything else you want to add a splash of colour to. Have the rainbow wrap paint here in both fine and chunky. You can use fine for smaller detail areas and chunky for adding to large fabrics. And again here, this is chunky. Both of these images are by Anna Brandt, as is this one here. Amazing, amazing photos. And you have the rainbow lens flare and the Colour Play rainbow gel filter here, which add a beautiful colour pop to your image. And the pastel spectrum haze wash. Again, this image is by Anna Brandt. This image here is by Karen Hook. It's amazing. So before and after using the pastel spectrum haze wash. And that's the LSP Rainbow Spectrum Overlay Collection for Photoshop Action Set, available at www.lsp-actions.com.